Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Let us do this question. Tabo bought a house for rand 980,000. He paid a deposit of 10% of the selling price of the house. He obtained a loan from the bank at an interest rate of 11% per annum, compounded monthly, to pay the balance of the selling price. He agreed to pay monthly installment of 10,000 on the loan. First question 5.1. How much money did Tabo borrow from the bank? It is clear that he put a deposit of 10%, which means 90% of this money he took it as loan, right? Because he already paid a deposit of 10%. So that 90% of this money calculate, that is the loan amount. Let us do that question. Question number 5.1. Look at here. This question we can do it in two ways. I will show you. Normally learners do like this. Loan amount is rand 980,000 minus 10% of 980,000. Is it clear? So it's going to be rand 980,000 minus 10% of 980,000 is, just put one decimal here. That is going to be 98,000. It's clear. When you subtract, you will get the answer. It's going to be 882,000. 882,000. This is the answer. 2 marks question. The very same question we can do it all 90%, because 10% is the deposit. So the loan amount is 90% of rand 980,000. So just calculate 90%. We can write 90 over 100 or 0,9 times 980,000. So straight away you will get the answer 882,000. Is it clear? It's a very easy question because he paid 10% as deposit. It's clear. Now we can go to next question. Okay, look at here 5.2. 5.2 is how many months will it take to repay the loan? You have to calculate total number of months. How many months will it take to repay the loan? He agreed to pay 10,000. That is, every month he has to pay 10,000. So it is about a loan, and you have to use present value formula. You know that grade 12 annuities are there. That means annuities means equal payment. Here this question clearly saying that it is about a loan. Is it clear? So you have to calculate how many months. Now that the value of n. So you have to use present value formula here. Let me write present value formula. PV is equal to x times 1 minus 1 plus I to the power minus n divided by I. So you have to calculate the value of n. Where PV we know already, we calculated, that is the loan amount. What is that? 882,000 is equal to x is the monthly installment. Here the rate is compounded monthly. So x is the monthly installment, that is 10,000 bracket 1 minus again bracket 1 plus I. I is R over 100. What is the rate of interest? 11%. So I is 11 over 100, that is 0,11 divided by, monthly means divide by 12 to the power minus n. So n is number of months. The moment you divide I with 12 means n is going to be number of months divided by I, that is 0,11 over 12. Now simplify, cross multiply and solve for n. So we can see that n is there in the power position. So after all the simplification, you have to apply log to find the value of n. So let me simplify this one. Send 10,000 the other side. That is going to divide 882,000. That is 882,000 divided by 10,000. Now this fraction you have to send the other side. So it's going to be 0,11 over 12. That is 0,11 over 12 is dividing. So when you send the other side, it's going to multiply. Now what is left there on the right hand side? 1 minus 1 plus 0,11 over 12 all to the power minus n. That is left there. When you do the left hand side, you will get 0,8085. Now send 1 to the other side. That is going to be minus 1 is equal to, the other side is minus 12,11 divided by 12 to the power minus n. Now left hand side, when you subtract it, you will get minus 0,1915 is equal to minus bracket 12,11 divided by 12 to the power minus n. Now we can see that both sides having a negative, we can simplify it, we can cancel it, multiply both sides with the negative symbol, or divide both sides with the negative. So you will get 0, or change the sign both sides. 1915 is equal to 12,11 divided by 12 to the power minus n. Now we can apply log because we simplified maximum. Okay, now we can apply log. Otherwise, we cannot find the value of n. So you have to apply log both sides. If you have still problem with the log, I did one video on log. Please watch that. That is log 0,1915 is equal to log 12,11 divided by 12 to the power minus n. Because of log, I can apply third rule of log. This power will come down. That is minus n times log 12,11 divided by 12. Decide log 0,1915. That fraction, that is 12,11 over 12, you can even change it into decimal. There is no problem. Therefore, minus n. Now it is something like a linear equation. You have to solve and find the value of n. That is minus n is equal to, divide both sides, log this one, log 12,11 divided by 12. That is left hand side log 0,1915 divided by log 12,11 divided by 12. That is minus n is equal to, you will get minus 181,137,9918. So minus minus going to be cancelled. So n is equal to 181,14. This is the answer. That is the value of n, which means number of months. Here you are not calculating the value of n. We are calculating number of months. Okay, this one means 181 months and a few days also there, which means according to the bank policy, you have to pay altogether 182 months. That the following few days you have to pay the following month. So it is altogether n is equal to 182 months. Okay, I will explain this question with the help of a timeline. Why it is 182 months, not 181 months. Just watch here. Let me draw the timeline. See, this is a T179, then T180, then T181 months, then 182 months. So the end of 179 paying 10,000. Okay, here also 10,000. 181 also 10,000. The calculated answer is n is equal to, exactly you got what? 181, 1379918. That is exactly 181 months. Then because of this decimal means few days also there. Okay, so the money for those days you are paying at the end of next month. Okay, that money plus interest, 1 month interest, also you are paying at the end of 182 months. Is it clear? And here we got, when you calculated n, we got a decimal. This decimal means the last month payment is smaller than 10,000. So here you are paying the money which is smaller than 10,000. So up to 181 months you are paying 10,000. But the last payment, because only few days left, so the last payment is smaller than 10,000. So sometimes you will get a question where you have to calculate what is the final installment. I think in my next video, I will show you one question like that. That is also very important. Okay, now we are moving to the next question, that is 5.3. Calculate the balance of his loan immediately after a 90th installment. That is the money that he is owing without interest. Only the loan amount without interest after 90th installment. So this question we can do it in two ways. Both I will show you here. We can do this question using present value formula, and we can do the very same question using future value formula also. So I will show you both. Okay. So let me start with the present value formula. That is PV, balance loan, is equal to x times 1 minus 1 plus I to the power minus n divided by, if you are using present value formula, n is number of installment that is left there. Here value of n that we calculated in the previous question, that is the exact value you have to use. That is n is equal to 181, 1379918. Then minus 90. So it's going to be 91, 1379918. This is the number of months left there after 90th installment. This you have to use as n. So balance loan is equal to x, we know already, 10,000. Then 1 minus 1 plus I is 0, 11 divided by 12 to the power minus n. You have to write 91, not the rounded off one, the exact one you have to use it. That is 91, 1379918 divided by I, that is 0, 11 divided by 12. So it will give you the answer 615,991, 6949. That is 615,991, 6949. When you round it off two decimal places, it's going to be 615,991, 70 rand. This is the answer. So this is the money he is owing to the bank without interest after 90th installment. The same answer you will get it if you use future value formula. That is, I will show you that one, or balance loan is equal to compound interest formula. Here, if you are using this formula, the number of installment that you made, that is 90. Compound interest formula for 90 minus future value formula for 90. So it's going to be P times 1 plus I to the power 90 minus future value formula is X times 1 plus I to the power 90 minus 1 divided by I. Especially when it comes to balance loan, my suggestion is just go with this formula, the one that I am using, that is on the safe side. So it's going to be P is the loan amount, that is 882,000. 1 plus I is same in all cases, that is 0,11 over 12 to the power 90 minus X is 10,000. Though this formula is lengthy, but on the safe side, I think using this formula is better. 1 plus 0,11 over 12 to the power 90 minus 1 divided by 0,11 divided by 12. So the first part, when you do it, you will get 2,5,069,01 minus, it is purely calculator work, so it is not a difficult one. Next one is 1,389,077,31. You will get it. 1,389,077,31. When you subtract this one, you will get the same answer like the previous, using the previous formula. That is rand 615,991,70. So this is how we do this question. So this is the balance loan immediately after 90th installment. This is the loan amount without interest, the money that you are owing to the bank. That person, Tabo, is owing to the bank after 90th installment. Is it clear? Okay, now look at the last question, that is 5.4. Tabo experienced financial difficulties after 90th installment. After he paid 90th installment, he experienced financial difficulties and did not pay 91st to 95th installment. So from 91st to 95th installment, that is altogether 5 installment he didn't pay. At the end of 96th month, he increased his monthly installment so as to pay off the loan in the same time interval as planned initially. Calculate the value of his new monthly installment. Okay, I will explain this question with the help of a timeline. See, the loan is granted here, T0. Then he started paying from T1, T2, T3, etc. Then T90, then T91, T92, T93, T94, T95, T96, T97, etc. Then T up until T182. Full installment is up to 182, isn't it? So he got the loan here, that is 882,000. Then he started paying 10,000 here, then here 10,000, then here 10,000. It's going to go up until here, 90th installment, 10,000. Is it clear? So up to 90th installment, there was no problem. He was paying 10,000, isn't it? He got a problem immediately after 90th installment. That is here, 91 he did not pay, 92 he didn't pay, 94 and 95. So 5 installment he didn't pay. Then he started paying from 96 up until 182. Is clear? So what will be his new monthly installment? That's the question. So up to 90th installment, okay, he paid already without any problem. So bank is not going to look at those amounts. So bank will calculate because the problem started immediately after 90th installment. So bank will calculate what is he owing to the bank immediately after 90th installment. That is the outstanding balance. So bank will look at what is he owing after 90th installment. Okay, so that is the balance loan that we calculated already. Balance loan. What is that? That is 615,991,70. This is the money he is owing immediately after 90th installment, because up to 90th installment he paid without any problem. So after 90th installment he is owing this money, isn't it? And next 5 months he didn't pay. So this money has to be compounded for next 5 months with the same interest rate, because that interval he didn't pay. So any interval where equal payment is not there you have to use compound interest formula. Did not pay, so you have to increase this money using compound interest formula, because there was no equal payment during that interval. So we are using this formula, that is P times 1 plus I to the power n. Here P is going to be 615,991,70. 1 plus I is same 0,11 divided by 12. To the power n is the number of months that he didn't pay, that is 5 months he didn't pay. So his new loan amount is going to be rand 644,747,02. Now he is, after calculating this one, he is here at 95. See here. Now from 96 onwards, what will be his monthly installment? So again we are using PV formula, that is PV is equal to x times 1 minus 1 plus I to the power minus n divided by I, where PV is 644,747, because after 95th month he is owing this money to the bank, 02 is equal to x times 1 minus bracket 1 plus I is 0,11 divided by 12 to the power n. What is n here? From 96 to 182. Here 96 is also included. So don't just subtract 96 from 182. You have to subtract 182 minus 96 plus 1, because 96 is also included. So here the answer is 87. Don't write 86, that is wrong. It is 87, because 96 also you have to consider. Divided by I is 0,11 over 12. That is 644,747,02 is equal to x times this bracket things. When you do it, you will get 59,771 6534 2. Therefore, monthly installment X is equal to 6447,02 divided by 59,771 65342. So the final answer is 10,786,84 rand. You will get it. So instead of 10,000, Taba has to pay 10,786,84 because those 5 months he didn't pay. So that's how we do this question. Is it clear now? Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please try to practice more questions on financial mathematics from different resources like study guide, textbooks, past question papers, etc. etc. Wait for my next video on financial mathematics. So see you soon. Bye bye.